So hello friends, here we are going to see how to create big number table without any hard calculation. So now we are going to see the table of 24. So for table of 24, we just need table of 2 and table of 4, which are very easy because tables from 1 to 10, which are we learn in our first standard only. So just we write here table of 2 and 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and so on. Likewise, table of 4. We just put a table here, sorry, a box here, and for to create table of 24, we write table of 24 here, and these things like 4826048260, we just write likewise here. Look at this 8, this 2, this 6, this 0, this 4, this 8, this 2, this 6, and 0. The the numbers inside table, we add them. So 4 plus there is nothing. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2, and here 1, so we write 1 here. Now 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, and we write 1 here. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Here is also 1, so we write 1 here. 6 plus 3 is 9, and this 1. Here 8 plus 3 is 11. So we write 1 here and carry the 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That's why the here is 2. Now 0 plus 4 is 4, and this 2 is here. So our table of 24 is ready without any hard calculation. Hope you understand. Thank you.